Good morning, YouTube. Financial Freedom with Velvet here. Hope you guys are all having a blessed day. I came on here this morning to talk to you guys about two sites, two survey sites that pay really well. The first survey site you guys know about. The second one I'm going to get into is called MobRog. It's a survey site I found out about in the past, but I just started using it. Okay, so let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, here we are on the survey site, and the first survey site is called Survey Junkie. Okay, and Survey Junkie is where you guys take surveys, and when you make up to a certain amount of points, you get paid. Okay, as you guys know, I have made a lot of money on this site so far. Today, I just recently got to 1,179 points. That's equivalent to $11. The minimum is 10. You get to 1,000 points, cash out $10. So I've reached my threshold here, and my lifetime points is $6,232, which is equivalent. I've made $60 on this site to date. Okay, now this is a really good site. I've cashed out 6 times on here already. This is my 6th cash out today. So this is different this is better than branded surveys in my opinion, because there's no pending points. You guys don't have to wait for your points. Take the survey, you get the points. Okay, now they do have disqualification points on here, up to 3 points. Okay, so every time you get disqualified, sometimes you get the points, sometimes you won't. Most of the time you will get disqualification points. Okay, so you can cash out the PayPal on here, and yeah. So let's get into the second site I want to talk to you guys about. And Survey Junkie, there's a referral program, but you guys can go ahead and sign up. I'll leave the link in the description, like the website link for you guys to sign up at. Okay, here we are on site number 2, survey site called MobRog. Okay, and this is a survey site that pays. I heard the lowest cash out is $6.25. So I have not really been on here. I just signed up for it. So I thought I'd come on here and tell you guys about it. You can do it on a computer, a tablet, or a mobile device. I believe it's available for iOS and Android, because this is an iPhone right here. So you guys can do this on an Android or an iPhone. Okay? So tells you right here you can do online surveys. You can easily fill out surveys on your computer via our online panel. We'll send you regular invitations by email to take part in surveys that can be filled out effortlessly online. We tell you in advance how long this survey will take and how much you will be paid for it. Of course, there are no obligation to take part. It is up to you to decide each time, and if you find the survey interesting, you can complete the questionnaire in whenever suits you best. Okay? And guys, just another tip. Remember that surveys do take a minute. You guys have to have patience. You are not always going to qualify for the survey, but there are some surveys you will qualify for. Okay? I highly recommend you guys do your research on this website before joining, just because that's what I always do before I join a survey site. So I would do my research before joining. This is a list of the places that this is accepted in. Looks to me like it's worldwide, so. But yeah, MobRog is a really good site. And I also wanted to show you guys this. Okay, you guys, this is something I wanted to show you. This is another way to make money. You can take surveys on here as well. This is an app I have installed on my Android device. And you just basically, you read news, you do different tasks, and you make money. Okay? What I recommend, and you can cash out as low as 50 cents on this site. And trust me, 50 cents adds up. You can watch videos, you can read, and you can, read, you can take surveys. There's tap research surveys on here, you guys. I just recently added it. So if I were you guys, I would literally go to tap research surveys and do the research. Because I just recently qualified for an 86 cent survey on tap research on BuzzBreak. Okay, so tap research would be a really good way to get to your cash out faster, just because they have really high points. And like I said, the lowest cash out here is 50 cents. So look into this app, you guys. Do your research on it. Go on YouTube and type in BuzzBreak and watch the videos on it and make a decision from there. Okay? So I'm sorry, you guys. I just woke up. My voice is a little weird right now, but yeah, this is a really good app, you guys. I've already made some cents on there, 2 cents mainly. Well, I'll be getting the 50 cents shortly. So I'll be making a video when I cash out my 50 cents from the site and showing you guys that it pays. So yeah, it's a 4.6 star rating, and it's in the Google Play Store right now. It was updated September 26th. You guys really should look into this app, because there was an app that I was doing that you get paid to watch podcasts and whatnot, but they took the PayPal cash off of it, so I'm no longer using that app. But get into this one. This is a really good one. Those are the three sites I wanted to discuss with you. BuzzBreak is an app. Just wanted to bring that to you guys. Hope you guys are interested, and hope I'm bringing you guys value. Like this video, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for future videos, and I'll see you guys later.